Well, the sad backing up of the old Toad is home. Rebuilt her. 4-to-1 off of Ruby.
Yep. This one's not cracked.
So we'll flash it, and actually was saying if she, with all the other stuff, she said she flashed for tires and the re-gear though.
I've never heard it getting reflashed for a transfer case.
Well, we're going from 2-to-7 to 4-to-1. He said you'll need to flash is what he said to us.
Hey, John,
Lopes.
Yeah.
Yes. And then they're looking for our videos on YouTube over there. You'll see my Jeeps on the cover, I think. But I haven't been filming. Everybody's been wrenching and twisting and putting
Everybody knows that the top 2 bolts on the transfer case are the bitch.
Yeah, and we had to drop the tranny. The tranny's resting on the this
Cross
member here. Now we got the jack back under it, but we had to use the jack to get the transfer case back up into place. We had to take out the flanges. We pulled those with the gear puller.
Heat that up.
And then one of them, it was real tough. Had to heat it up pretty good to get it off.
I got that one pretty tight up there. Try this up here.
And then Johnny had to remind me that I wasn't filming.
Yeah.
Because I'm running around trying to make sure everybody's got everything we need. We got pizza now, dude. We gotta go eat.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
get stuff. Get it.
Get this one in.
All right.
That's what she said.
Just trying to get this last one in.
Well,
first
2 in.
Call it end of shift. There's enough Johns here for her. All right. Well, we'll get you back when we get it put back together and see how Jen's doing. But there's a second rebuilt transfer case. Oh yeah, those are invaluable.
Yes, this is what you need to get into this
And then
area.
there's the fill plug. I'm gonna have to fill her.
Oh yeah, I got it.
That thing right there is a lifesaver, that wrench.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, that made all the difference in the world.
Well, since I'm already here, I might as well just tighten all the other ones.
Oh, come eat.
Dude, I'm already dirty.
Oh, all right. Well, I'm gonna go eat.
Go for it.